Alright, I've reached my secret location. It's pretty cool, but I never actually got to go to the reservoir lake that I was trying to go to, because it just seems like it's surrounded by private property. And I don't think I'm going to be coming back here ever again, because it was a lot farther to get here than I thought it would be. But this is a really cool area, don't get me wrong. I'll enjoy myself while I'm here. Just next time I'm going to find a place that's a little closer, somewhere where I don't have to worry about private property, and hopefully near a body of water. But either way, I'm here now, so I'm gonna go and work on collecting some wood. This is how I'm this is my makeshift tripod right here. Hopefully it works. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Well, I finally got the fire the size I wanted it, and I definitely got a coal bed there. Oh yeah. It was really hard to get these other logs going with how they're like wet sponges right now, because it's just been raining every day almost for like a month or two. Got this fire going. I used plastic as part of I used it with the paper, and a lot of people are kind of against that, but let me tell you, that works great to get a fire going, because it burns really long. Like it turns into a liquid, like you'll see here. I mean, you don't want to breathe it in obviously, but I mean but overall, successful trip. Good use of my day. I'm gonna eat some salami. Yeah, I wish I was cold right now, because this fire's hot. Well, if there's one thing I learned today, it's the faster you get a fire going big, the less smoke you're going to breathe in that day. Anyway, it's getting late, and the sun's about to go down here. Better get out of here before sun goes down. That should do it.